What's up, YouTube? The last couple clips, video, I don't know what I'm going to put together yet. I haven't edited it, but you probably watched it already. And it was a disaster. The rain came, the wind came, the transmission job was crazy. Rolling my fenders the other day was crazy. Rainstorm, had to put the tent up again. Wind kicked up, tent almost flew into the neighbor's yard. But the car is down, but needs to go down more. I was concerned with lowering it too much when I rolled them, and the paint started chipping because it's old shitty paint, and it was cold out. But I had the heat gun on it, it just wasn't enough. Thankfully the fronts don't really need rolling, but I need new fenders anyway. I got upper control arms coming for the front, and all the arms are already installed in the back, but the roll's okay. This side came out better. So I'm gonna work on the exhaust because the test pipes sound like garbage. I don't know if it's because they're eBay test pipes, or I just forgot what VQ sound like with test pipes because I haven't owned one in a while. But I ended up picking this up. It's a Werks single exit. I'm gonna throw that on, and then I'm gonna worry about the test pipes. So I'm gonna throw it on, get a video, sound clips, so you guys can hear it like max volume, super loud. And if it sounds good, then cool. If the test pipes still sound like shit, I'm gonna take them off, put the cats back on. So I'm gonna work on that now. So here's the resonator section. It's actually decent construction. My only thing is I actually don't know how this goes. I'm pretty sure this goes to the Y pipe, and then this pushes over to the side for the rest of the mid pipe, whatever you want to call it, to go to. I would assume that the Werks logo would be down. Again, this is secondhand, so shout out to Tycon for having great product and for selling me shit on Amazon. Hashtag not sponsored. Thankfully it came with two, because I'm going to need two. One for this side, one for this side. So let's get this on. This should be fun. Bye-bye. Alright, I thought I was recording, but I guess I wasn't, so it's on. I'm just messing with alignment a little bit. It's all tightened up. I'll do a quick startup in a sec and hear how it sounds with the test pipes, but definitely going to pull them off, so just get a quick sound clip. Sounds kind of good. think the test pipes have earned themselves one more day in this world. I'm going to leave them on. I'm going to go for a drive later. I'm going to put the hub-centric rings on now and probably lower the back a little bit more. So I'm going to clean up, and that's it. Exhaust is on, circuit works, exhaust still in Y pipe, that's hitting the undercarriage because it's dented, and eBay test pipes with the J tube so I don't get a check engine light. So welcome to Shitbox Builds. So we got the hub-centric rings on. I just lowered it down. I'm at about an inch and a quarter, no, I'm sorry, inch and an eighth between the two collars. So I'm gonna match the other side. That should bring this down a little bit. Threw a little touch-up paint where all the cracks were. I'm gonna let that harden up and then I'll hit it with some compound and clean it up for now. I'm gonna wrap the car anyway, so it doesn't matter. All right, so once again, I'm losing light, but I lowered the back a little bit. The e-brake is on, so this side's a little bit lower. This side, a little higher, so it pitches when the e-brake's on. So we'll see. I'm gonna measure. Maybe drive it for a little bit tomorrow. I got the upper control arms. Whatever, don't hate ISR. They're okay. Apparently, it's one of the only ones, besides Voodoo 13, which are $1,000, that have the camber and caster adjustment without having to remove the whole upper control arm, or at least camber without having to remove the whole thing, and most of them don't have caster. So, try them out and see how they do. I need to add some camber up front, probably a degree or two.
My battery died!